Anna Maria Stewart here for Corporate Profile with an update on CEL-SCI. CEL-SCI is a cancer immunotherapy company that has completed the world's largest phase 3 study in head and neck cancer. Its immune-boosting drug Multikine is administered after diagnosis and before both surgery and radiotherapy when the body's natural immune system is the strongest. The phase 3 study showed that Multikine significantly improves survival benefit 5 years after treatment, and in some cases even completely eliminated tumors prior to surgery. It's been 50 years since the FDA approved a new treatment for advanced primary head and neck cancer. CEL-SCI recently announced progress on the regulatory approval front. Approval for Multikine is being pursued in multiple markets, including the US, Europe, the United Kingdom, and Canada. The Canadian regulator, Health Canada, advised CEL-SCI to request advanced consideration for approval under a policy called the Notice of Compliance with Conditions, which facilitates earlier access to promising new drugs for patients suffering from serious life-threatening diseases. This means commercialization of Multikine could possibly begin as early as 2024 if Health Canada clears CEL-SCI's submission. In Europe and the UK, CEL-SCI is expecting scientific advice meetings with the European Medicines Agency and the Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency in England to seek conditional and early access approval. These are priority markets for CEL-SCI, as Europe has more than twice the number of head and neck cancer cases diagnosed each year as compared to the US. The company also reported having a positive meeting with the US FDA, including an agreement on patient selection criteria for a confirmatory study. In other positive news, CEL-SCI's latest phase 3 data demonstrated that Multikine significantly increases overall survival in patients with low levels of tumor cell PD-L1 expression. PD-L1 checkpoint inhibitors are a huge class of drugs representing a $35 billion market. Approved checkpoint inhibitors like Keytruda and Opdivo most often show longer survival in patients with a higher level of tumor cell PD-L1 expression as compared to Multikine benefiting patients with lower PD-L1. This points to the potential of Multikine as a combination therapy with checkpoint inhibitors. CEL-SCI's immediate opportunity as a combination therapy is in head and neck cancer, yet these latest results also point to potential in other solid tumors as well. The company is interested in running such combination studies in the future.